We got some good weight here.
Yeah, I'm doing the shirt a little bit.
Sex appeal. Sex appeal.
It's the Cripe Energy
Yeah,
Toss.
yeah, we are. This is the Cripe Energy 2009 experiment. Can we lift Sean up with just our fingers?
With our
fingertips.
fingertips, just like so.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
Oh, we got him up. There, that's pretty good.
Here we go. Nice and close.
No touching.
A little closer, don't touch. Easy, hold it. Good. Oh yeah, you're going. Scott, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Believe it or not.
Oh my God! That is weird.
We got that on film, baby. There's no reason for that to work.
I want to do that.
How about pull the muscle the first time, Sean?
Yeah, no doubt about it.
Let's do that.
Oh, Steve wants to be
I
lifted.
want to be the subject.
All the girls want
Oh, you want to try? Yeah, you girls try Steven.
Come on,
Yeah, be a little closer.
Come on,
Sorry,
Kim.
no,
Do you have your camera?
I wish
See
I
the
was
camera? Yeah.
I
taller.
need you in here.
Can you? Well, mine's about to
Girl
die.
gang.
Okay,
I
yeah.
want to get.
Well, I mean, your mom's filming it too.
Brian.
Oh, that's crazy.
Brian.
Hey,
Crazy.
hey,
Okay, Dan.
you girls should do
Instruct him.
Eli and then just throw him in the sky.
Yeah.
Imagine how high we
Hey,
could
hey,
throw
this
Eli.
time, hands in slow
Oh my
and
God.
out slow.
Yeah, that's yeah. Okay.
Where we?
And cross your fingers underneath. Yeah.
And
where
when you
we put
Probably right there.
right here.
anywhere on your
Goes like right in his arm.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Give it a shot there, Shel.
ready?
Wait.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay, down.
right,
Hey,
now.
just your fingertips. You can't use wrists, okay?
Yeah.
fingertips.
Just fingertips underneath.
Okay, now hands
Okay,
in.
Sam first.
Slow.
Slow.
Closer.
Easy.
Closer.
Be smooth, like you guys all are. Smooth.
Yeah, there you go.
Hold it.
Hold it for a sec.
Off you go, Court. One at a time.
Slow.
You got it.
Fingers together.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my God!
Can I do it? I
Yeah, man. It was like I was a feather.
Seriously, it was like it was heavy. All of a sudden, it's like
Yeah.
seriously.
Steven's dainty.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Brian, can we lift you?
Yeah, if you want.
I want to lift someone.
Oh my
Oh.
Ah, Eli.
goodness.